Welcome to Ice Fishing Country, home of the famous Auto Step-Jig. My name is Rudy. I love ice fishing and the outdoors, and would like to share that with you through a series of videos. In this video, we'll be taking a detailed look at my Auto Step-Jig, or we could call it an ice fishing jigging rod holder. You may wonder, what makes it famous? Quite simply, years of ice angling has shown that this unit outfishes manual jigging most of the time. During the years of walleye ice fishing with my brother-in-law, there were many days when we were outfished 5-1 by the Auto Step-Jig. But there was one day when Jerry was ecstatic. He outfished the Step-Jig 3-1. The unique jigging action of the Auto Step-Jig is what makes it so successful. Early models were blue coated metal. The current updated model is galvanized metal, with easier access to the battery compartment and 2 D-cell batteries. The jigging action of the old and new models is the same. This video shows the step up and drop of the unique internal wheel. Usually the hook is tipped with a frozen minnow, or live minnows were permitted. The step drop action and the speed reduction gear motor produce distinctive sounds. The unit does not set the hook. Anglers need to be watchful of the bending rod when fish tug on the line. In some underwater videos, the fish is attracted to the jigging action, but remain overly cautious in their approach. Other times they will dive for the jigging lure. The Auto Step-Jig is available online at IceFishingCountry.com.